Saulo. I just wanted to say I'm sorry we called you at night, but I just wanted to say hi. How's your day? And I can't wait to see you in Mombasa again. Okay, well, have a good night. I'll call you when you wake up. All right, bye.
Yeah, hey Jaden. Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm fine. I hope you too. You're doing good. Yeah. I know. I hope right now you can cook an omelet for your family, right? And it will can't wait to see you again. This time around, maybe not in Mombasa. I will come in San Francisco, right? So, man, continue being a good boy. I hope I'll see you soon, man. Right? Bye. I consider the kitchen the best place to be because it's often the heart of our home, where families gather, share meal, create delicious food, and foster connection, making it a warm and inviting space for socializing and creating positive memories, like what we have here with Jaden, like good food, good mood.